Wait a minute. Harley Quinn teaching English? For real? Haha, madness never sounded this good. Hi guys! In today's video, I'm sharing an English therapy session I had with Harley Quinn, who made me fall in love with English again. Recently, I was told to pay her a visit at Blackgate Penitentiary, and here's what happened during our session.
Deadhood. Looks like you've been eating well. Still big as an ox and twice as mean.
Been a while, Harley. You good?
Was it too much to ask you to visit earlier?
You were looking into something for Batman. What was it?
Wait a second. This means the Bats is dead. For real. Well then. He asked me to profile some criminals, on account of my being a brilliant psychiatrist.
Guess of all the criminals he knew, you'd be the one to ask.
Hey! I am not a criminal! I'm misunderstood.
Look, you know what I'm here for. Hand it over.
Everything is in this book. But I'm missing my piece de resistance. I need you to follow up on this here card. That'll make it perfect.
Figures you're not making this easy for me.
It should be done in records. Okay. Bye. An ox and twice as mean.
Been a while, Harley.
As we saw in this clip, Red Hood uses the informal expression "been a while." We use it when we see someone after a long time. For example, "Hi Mark, wow, it's been a while. How are you?"
Was it too much to ask you to visit earlier?
You were looking into something for Batman. What was it?
In this scene, Red Hood uses the phrasal verb "look into something." It simply means to investigate or get more information. When we need to find the cause of a problem or research a topic, we use it. For example, some customers have complained about late deliveries, so we need to look into the problem.
Wait a second. This means the Bats is dead. For real.
In this scene, Harley Quinn uses the idiom "for real." It is similar to saying Really? Is that true? And it's informal. It is used to show you are surprised or to check if someone is joking. For example, you got tickets to the concert? Are you for real?
He asked me to profile some criminals.
The next word is to profile. It's a verb and it means to describe the typical behavior or character of a person. It is often used by police or in business to understand a certain type of person. For example, the police are working to profile the suspect based on the evidence they found.
On account of my being a brilliant psychiatrist.
The next phrase is on account of. It's a prepositional phrase, works like because of. It's a more formal way to say because of, especially in writing. For example, the flight was delayed on account of bad weather. And here Harley uses the word brilliant to mean that she is very clever or smart or intelligent. We use this word to mean that something or someone is very clever. For example, what a brilliant idea, let's do that. Or for example, we can say she's a brilliant scientist who is respected all over the world. The next vocabulary is psychiatrist. It's a word that functions as a noun and it simply means a doctor for mental health problems. For example, her doctor referred her to a psychiatrist to get help with her depression.
Guess of all the criminals he knew, you'd be the one to ask.
Hey! I am not a criminal! I'm misunderstood.
Here Harley Quinn says, I'm misunderstood. It's a participial adjective and it's used when people have the wrong idea about you or what you meant.
Look, you know what I'm here for. Hand it over.
As it can be understood in this part of the clip, Red Hood uses the phrasal verb hand it over in a forceful way. It's an informal and direct command, telling someone to give you an object. And as I said, it can sound a bit forceful.
Everything is in this book. But I'm missing my piece de resistance. I need you to follow up on this here card. That'll make it perfect.
Piece de resistance. It's a loan phrase, meaning a phrase taken from another language, in this case French, and it means the most impressive or best part of something. For example, the architect's new building has amazing details, but the piece de resistance is the glass rooftop pool.
Figures you're not making this easy for me.
It should be down in records.
And finally, the last word is figure. It's a verb, and it simply means to think or to guess. But here we have the phrase it figures or just figures. It's an idiomatic expression and it is used for reacting to a predictable negative situation. For example, the train is late again. It figures.
Okay. Bye.
Alright, that's a wrap on these awesome expressions. Want part 2? Smash that like button to let me know, and subscribe so you're the first one to see it. Now it's your turn. Challenge time! Drop a comment below with a sentence using one of today's words. I wanna see what you've got. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
A dream that crashed.